My name's Raymond from Air Ride Equipment, and we're here to talk to you a little bit about our pre-assembled air management I have next to me. Now, these are a few examples of the black ones that we make. These pre-assembled kits come in multiple configurations. That means that we can mount them to boards of different shapes and sizes depending on your need. These ones are made to go behind the front seat of the vehicle, and they come standard 30 by 12 inches. If you wanted one to go in your spare tire well, we have one standard that's 24 by 16. If you happen to have a vehicle that has a frunk or a trunk in the front, like a C8 Corvette or a Tesla, we also have pre-made managements that insert right into those areas as well. The best part is we also make this in custom configurations depending on your needs. If you have some measurements for a certain space in your vehicle, we can actually make the boards to those sizes with everything pre-assembled on it. Now, this pre-assembled kit also speeds up installation dramatically. Doesn't matter if you're doing the installation yourself and you're a first-time installer, or you're paying someone to install your air management, this will reduce that time and possibly cost down dramatically. Everything comes pre-assembled and standalone. So it's pretty simple to put in. I would say that it would save over one full day of installation time when you buy a pre-assembled management like this. Now, this works with all airbags and struts. Doesn't matter what kind of airbags or struts you want to use, or if you want to update an old air ride system. This is one of the fastest ways to do that as well. You can actually update any pre-existing air management with this system. Now, one of these was ordered on Friday from Vincent and Jennifer, and it's going out today, which is Monday. And that's the last thing that we're going to talk about until we take a deep dive into this kit. These things ship usually within 24 hours. All right, let's take a look at what's in this kit. Every kit includes carpeted wood mounting board, airlift 3P management, aluminum air tank, dual 444 compressors, a water trap, and a tank drain. So the other thing that's really rad about these kits is that if you want to change the color or finish up, say you want chrome 444s, or you want a chrome aluminum tank, or you want to switch them up and do half and half, all those options are the exact same price with this kit. Each kit also comes with a main wiring harness and a second compressor wiring harness, 60 foot of 1/4 inch line, 12 volt no drill on off switch, a controller mount, and an installation kit that has a hose cutter, zip ties, wire ends, fuses, and all fusible links needed. AirRideEquipment.com, only the best.